be one is HANA DB migration and another one is S4 migration. So DB migration is this picture easily you can understand. See, this is what the right now scenario. ECC will be there and it supports any DB. Okay. If they want to go for HANA as a DB migration, so this is going to be the feature. The ECC as it is, it will be there, but it has to upgrade it to enhancement pack above 7. Okay, because that is the complaint application for the HANA. Then instead of any DB is going to be HANA DB. Okay, so this is we call it as HANA DB migration. While doing the HANA DB migration also, two scenarios usually they follow. They follow two scenarios. One is HANA is a secondary database that we call it the sidecar scenario. Sidecar scenario is nothing but HANA will be a secondary database and this any DB, whatever this architecture is there, right? It will be as it is. ECC and any DB will be there. Any DB is going to be primary database. Whatever the existing database, it can be Oracle, it can be DB2, it can be MS SQL, whatever it is. Okay. And then along that, HANA is also going to be a database, but it acts as a secondary database. So if you remember the introduction class, I told that this ADBC code push down technique, ABAP database connectivity technique, code push down technique is going to be used when HANA is a secondary database. Okay. So in this kind of scenarios, ADBC will be used. Here, AMDP will not be used because AMDP is specific to HANA database only. Okay. So this is we call this a sidecar scenario where HANA will be secondary database and main car scenario is going to be, so there will not be any other database apart from HANA under ECC suite. Okay. So these two ways DB migration can happen. One is sidecar scenario and main car scenario. Okay. And next is going to be S4 migration. Basically, what is S4? It's a it's an application. It's a newer version to ECC. Okay. This ECC is there, right? This is a ready-made application. Okay. Ready-made application means lot of programs have been written to perform complete business, right? That programs were rewritten, okay, with respect to S4, okay. So why the rewritten has to happen? Because this architecture, this DB architecture is different, this HANA architecture is different, and this powerfulness is different, and the HANA powerfulness is different, okay. To get the best advantages from the HANA, okay, you should work on S4 environment only, okay. And even ECC also, up to some extent you can see if the programs are compliant as per the HANA, if you are modified the programs as per the HANA database, yes, of course you can see that performance in those programs. If it is normal, if you are not using as per the HANA database, the code system technique, all those things are not there, it will give you same results where how any DB is used to give, the same results only will give. Okay. If you modify as per HANA the program, yes, you can see the changes. So that is what the S4 has become. So S4 is completely rewritten, complete ERP was rewritten as per the HANA database. Okay. So this migration is nothing but here is going to be application is also going to be migrated and DB is also going to be migrated. So this is what is going to be future state. If you go for S4 migration, application migration, we call it. Okay. So this is about the difference between DB migration and S4 migration.